Hello there, and today I'm going to do a very quick video for you on how to prepare a glaze solution, that mixture of glazes. These are the acrylic glazes, the gloss and satin that I use, and these can give a beautiful finish to a painting that has dried maybe without quite the sheen that you want. And you want to finish it off and give it a really pretty luster. You can also finish it with a gloss glaze and give it a glossy luster. So I generally will take about 2/3 of the satin mixture. And you can do this in a resealable plastic tub, and then you always have your glaze ready to go. And then about 1/3 of the gloss. That's just my preferred ratio, because I like to do sort of a satiny finish versus a gloss finish. There are times where I'll use 100% gloss or just a little satin, but this is my general mixture that will give it a really pretty luster and finish. So that's 2/3 satin glaze to 1/3 gloss. And if you mix that up with a little bit of water and you apply it with a flat brush, such as this brush here, to your painting, then you're going to get a real pretty finish. And if you don't want to varnish a painting, that's a nice way to finish it off.